Hello, it's your boy Sadbi Yaga. Morning. Yeah, you know what? Sometimes I awake and I'm going to my page Facebook. I see some comments from some people who talk about me. Sadbi can't speak English. Sadbi can't sing in English. Okay, for sure, there is some people who don't know how well we can speak English, how they don't realize how effectively we can express ourselves with every word come out of our mouth. So, but I have a question. Did you know that 17% of my audience doesn't know that language, that out language? They know Kirundi, and I get money from Burundi. So, yes, I want to expand. Yes, I want to go far. But in this moment, there is any opportunity. When I sing in English, I don't get view. When I sing in Kirundi, I get more viewers and more money. So sorry for that. No, unfortunately, I know most of you will not understand the message in this video, but I apologize for that. God bless you.